In this video, I'll show you how to add Yelp reviews to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elf site. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the review section, and down below, you will find reviews from Yelp. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press an F11, and on the corners of the window, simply click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and in here, we have about 6 options. On the source section, this is where you can add your Yelp reviews, and to do that, simply head over to Yelp. From here, you just want to simply go to the share button here below, click on share, and then what you want to do is copy the whole link that is in here. Once you're done, just head over back to Elf site. Once you're on Elf site, under the source URL, you want to head over to Yelp URL and then press on Ctrl V to paste the URL. Once you're done, it should load the reviews that are being collected. What you could also do is add an AI generated summary, and you can choose to toggle this on or toggle it off. Now, on the layout section, this is where you can change your layout, and you will have a lot of selections to choose from. If you want to see the whole thing, simply click on See All Layouts, and in here, it will show you all of the layouts that you can choose from. Below, you can also customize the layout. You can change the width, the columns, the rows on mobile, as well as the item spacing. Below, if you have a carousel or a slider layout, you will have an option to autoplay, and in here, you can turn this on or turn this off, and then you can also change the animation. On the header section, this is where you can show the header, and if you do want to do that, simply toggle it on. What you could also do is change the style of the header into something that you want it to be. You will have a lot of options to choose from, and below each and every style, you will have an element section wherein you can choose which elements you want to add within your header. You can also add a widget title, and if you toggle this on, you can add a title as well as a caption. On the review section, this is where you can change your review style, and you have about 3 options. Below, you can also change the review source style, and you have a lot of options to choose from. You can even click on Customize, and once you do, you can change the things that you want to show within your reviews. On the Style section, you can change your color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent color depending on your color scheme. Below, you can customize the elements. You can change the color of the background, the header, the rating, the review, the navigation arrows, as well as the pagination. On the settings section, you can even change your language as well as add auto-translate reviews. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elf site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just head up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on copy code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between two sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as the starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to go onto Embedded Social, simply click on that one. Under Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and then click on Enter Code. And on here, what you want to do is press on Ctrl V so you can paste the code. Once you do, you want to go to the bottom and click on Update so you can view the changes. As you can see, you should be able to see your widget. On the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you want to click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, you just want to paste the code, so press on Ctrl V. Once you do, you can change the font family, and on the right-hand side, these are the fonts that you can use or you can change. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Update so you can view the changes. As you can see, we have changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have Yelp reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.